Yeah, hello friends. I hope that you all are doing well. So here in this video today, we will be discussing about lateral surface area of a cuboid or of a cuboidal room. So lateral surface area of a cuboid means we are talking about the four side walls of that cuboid or of that cuboidal room, and we do not include the top and the bottom face of that cuboid when we are talking about the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So here you can see that I have taken a section of a cuboid and we have not taken the top and the bottom part in this cuboid or a cuboidal room. These are the side walls of this cuboidal room. This is the length, breadth and height of this cuboidal room. So in order to get the lateral surface area, we have to calculate the area of these side walls, these four side walls of this cuboid or cuboidal room. Fine. So now what we will do, we will calculate individually the area of each wall and add them to get the lateral surface area of this cuboidal section or room. Fine. At the same time, the most important part is that each and every side, you can see that it is in a rectangular shape. Fine. So now we will calculate the area of individual walls. Let's start doing that. So what will the area of this side? Length into height, L into H, plus now area of this wall, this is the breadth and this is the height, so area would be breadth into height. We'll move on to the next wall. Again the area of this wall will be length into height. Now the last wall, here the area would be breadth into height. I will just keep it aside here. We will simplify this equation now. So we are having 2 length into height, so we can write it as 2 times of length into height. Similarly we are having 2 times of breadth into height and second one breadth into height, so we can write it as 2 times of breadth into height. So here we can take 2 and height as common. So 2 into h I have taken as common, and inside the bracket we are left with length plus breadth. So 2 times of height into length plus breadth is the lateral surface area of this cuboidal room. Fine. So now let us calculate what will be the area or lateral surface area of this section. So if I take the length, so what will be the length here? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit length. And what will be the breadth here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth will be 4 units. And regarding the height, it will be 2 units. 1 plus 1, 2. So we have already taken the length, breadth and height of this cross section, of this cuboidal cross section. Now we'll put these values in the above formula. So 2. Height here is 2, so it will be 2 into 2. Length is 6 unit plus breadth is 4 unit. Let us simplify this. 2 into 2, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. So it will be equal to 40 unit square. So the lateral surface area or the area of the 4 walls from outside of this cuboidal cross section is 40 unit square. So I hope that now we are clear with the lateral surface area, is the lateral surface area and how we calculate it. So I request you to share this video with your friends, at the same time like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.